Yeah, welcome to our very first video, our very first practical video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step. I will record 2 videos. The first one is this one, where I will show you how you can generate a beautiful, a suitable business name for your client or for yourself. Then number 2, how to register your account on a CAC website. Then number 3, how to reserve your name on CAC website. So that's all for this video. That's the 3 things I'm going to be showing you in this video. Then on the next video, that's the second video, I will show you how you can register the name that you have reserved. So that will be on the second video. Now for this one, the first I'm going to show you is how to generate a suitable business name for your client or for yourself, so that the name will look unique to you. It will look unique to your business. Now what you need to do is go to this website, or you Google search business name generator. So this is the website. Don't click on this one. This is the website. This is the website we're going to be using, businessnamegenerator.com. So that's the website. You click on it. On this website, you can generate a suitable business name for your business. Any business you can think of. Maybe you are into hairdressing, you are selling bread, you are into agriculture, you are into cloth, or whatever business you are into, you can find a suitable business name on this website. So also, let's say you want to create a website for your business, so you can use this website also to generate domain name for your business. Very soon I'm going to also be organizing a training on how to create a website or how to create a blog. You will understand everything about domain and all this stuff. So domain name. So for instance, okay, you enter a keyword. So to generate your name, just enter any word here, any word you can think of. So for instance, let's say I'm into agriculture. So I want to generate a business name for my agricultural business. So just type any word you can think of. Maybe agro, for instance. Let's say agro. So you click generate. Click on generate, then you wait for the website to load. So it will generate a lot of name ideas for you, so you can choose it. So you can choose whatever you want. So let's say for instance you want agro. For instance, now you can see a lot of name here. You can go to next. If you can't find anyone you want here, you can go to the next page, to the third page, or the next, until you find what you are looking for. Now let's say for instance we are looking for this one seems cool to me. You are looking for this, so you are looking for the agro ground. So you can just say, okay, agro ground will be my business name or for your client. So agro ground. So this name, you will hardly find it on CAC website. So to also check, maybe the name you choose is already on CAC website. Now once you get the name you want to use, you've gotten the name you want to use, you must first of all go to this website, search.cac.gov.ng/list. This is where you search for the name. Maybe someone has already registered it. Because if you go ahead to reserve the name, they will charge you 500 naira. Your 500 naira will just wait like that. So you first of all search on this CAC registry website. So the name we choose is the AgroGround. AgroGround, let's search it here. AgroGround. So you enter it, then you click search. So you can see it does not bring any result. It does not bring any result. So to make sure that this thing is real, I will search for the name of my business, the name of my company that I registered. So you can see now, see all the name it brings. There's nothing like AgroGrounds. There's nothing like AgroGrounds. Okay. The reason why this one I call up is because this name Agro is in their name. It's in their name. So for instance, let's just say someone has I've already registered my company and then someone go ahead and search for the name. Search for the name. So if you do not find the name under incorporated trustee, you click here. Click here. So just make sure you check. So it means I register it as a business name, not as a company. So you can search here. So if you can't find it here, you can't find it here, and you can't find it here, it means nobody has registered the name. So I registered my own on this day. So that's it. You must first search. Once you see the name there, that is the exact name there, so it means you can't register it. Then this is one of the reasons why as a business you must register your name, so that other people will not register your name on your behalf. It means once other people register that name under CAC, it means you can't use the name again. You have to look for another name. So whenever you are starting a business, make sure you register the name first. Make sure you register the name so that other people will not register the name, so that you go and be looking for another name to register. So once you are sure about that, then you go to CAC website. That is the website where you want to register your account, where we will reserve the name and where we are going to register the name. So you go to pre.cac.gov.ng. So that's the website we are going to be using. That's the CAC website we're using to register business name or company, whatever. Now, when you use the website right now, so you can see here there are 4 steps here. 4 steps. So step 1 is public search. That's what we have done. So you go to CAC website to search. Maybe the name you want to use has already been used by another person or is available for use. So the next step is to reserve the name. Once you have made sure that nobody has registered the name, then you can go ahead and reserve the name. After reservation, step 3 is actually register the name that you have reserved. That the name, once you reserve the name and they approve it, then you come to step 3. Then step 4, maybe you want to change the name of your business, or you want to change the address, or anything you want to change on that on your currently existing business. So this is where you will come. Then now that is that. So for starting now, you first of all register your account. You click here, you click register. But if you already have an account, you go ahead to log in. But we are here to have an account, so you are going to register an account. So now this is the account creation form. This is the form where you are creating the account. Now, if you have already submitted a registration or an existing registration, maybe it has been queried or this thing, you can just click here, then enter the email address and the phone number, then you find the application or you check the status of the application. But now I want to just start registration afresh. So, and also please select if you want to be an accredited agent. So if you want to be an accredited agent, being an accredited agent means you are either, okay, let's select this one now. It means you must meet this category. You are either a lawyer or chartered of accountant or whatever, any category here. It means you want to be an accredited this thing, accredited agent, but we don't need all that. So now you enter. Now it says any member of the public can create an account. Then kindly know that you will be a director, trustee, proprietor, partner during the registration process. So it means that when you are registering this place, when you are registering this account, as in you want to register the account for yourself so that you can reserve names. So when you are registering this account, make sure you use your name, surname, let's say James, first name Kolawole, other name Peter, date of birth, that is your date of birth, your date of birth, your date of birth, 1999 February 4, gender, male or female, whatever, nationality, where you are from Nigeria or whatever. So select your country, then account detail, your phone number, then email address, xyz at yahoo.com. Then you enter the same confirm email. Then you enter here. Then username. The username you want to be using to log into this website. Whenever you want to register, whenever you want to reserve a new name or register a new name, or you want to check for your certificate, you want to download your certificate, or you want to download a certificate for a client, or whatever you want to do. This is the username and the password you'll be using. Make sure you keep it in a safe place. So your username is James John. Password. This is the password. Then occupation. Occupation. What you are doing. Okay, let's say self-employed or whatever. What you are doing, hairdressing or what. Let's just say self-employed. So you enter your own self-employed. Enter your own occupation. Then address. Your own address. Nigeria. Your state. Lagos. Government. Postal code. You may enter the postal code or not, depends on you. It's not compulsory. Whenever you see this red star, it means that place is compulsory. But if the red star is not there, it means it's not compulsory. So your town or village, Ikorodu. Then the number on the house, number 50. Then street name, Oluwole 3. Then type, means of identification. That is to say, the ID card you want to use. You can use age declaration, or birth certificate or driver's license or international passport or national ID card or permanent voter's card. Then when you select national ID card, you have to enter your NIN here. If you select voters card, you enter your voters card number here. So once you have done all this, let's just say you enter this. So once you've done this, you can click register. Click register. Once you click register, you wait for the website to load. Yeah, once you click register, then a link to activate your account will be sent to your email address, to register. You can see a link has been sent to your xyz@yahoo.com. Follow the link to confirm your email address. If you do not get the email, you can click here to resend. You can check log into your email address, then check your inbox. If you cannot find it in your inbox, go to your spam folder or junk folder. Spam folder or junk folder, you will see it there. So once you see the link, you click the link, they will verify your email address, then you come back here to log in. Then you come to log in, you enter the username, then you enter your password. So enter the username. Then click login. So now let's say this is your new dashboard. Everything here will be 0000000. This is a dashboard for one of my client. So I'm registering the name for him. So I'm using his dashboard for the training. So let's just say you just created the account. You have verified your email address and you log in. All this one will be 00000. It means you have not done anything yet. So the first thing you are going to do is you want to reserve your name. Now let me tell you this. You can use a single account. You see, you can use a single account to register to also use it for other clients. You see, you can use a single account to register for other clients. That is to say, you can use this account to register for as many clients as you want. Whenever you log into your account, you have a new client, just log into the account, come to name reservation, reserve the name, then you see the name. Once it is approved, you come here, you select the name, then you register it. Then once the CS certificate has been sent to your email address, what you need to do is just send the client the CAC certificate, and that is all. That is all. So what we are going to do is reserve the name. We have checked the name here. We have checked the CS website. It is not there. So it means we can use the name. So you click name reservation. Click on name reservation. Now, once you click name reservation, this is what you will see. Now you have to take note of all these things they listed here. Your name will not be reserved if they violate any of these things noted here. So number one, your name must not be identical by any other name that has been registered on CAC. If not, if your name, that's why I ask you to check first. So if you happen to go and register it without checking and your name match another person's name, it means your money is gone. 500 naira. No, 500 naira is very small. So, but in this Nigeria, 500 naira is a lot of money. So now, if you register, it means your 500 naira will be gone. If you make the same mistake again, you will pay another 500 naira. That's how you will pay the 500. So you have to be very careful when registering the name. Then your name must not contain the word Chamber of Commerce. So, and also your name must not mislead the public. Let's say you are using a name that is offensive or that has anything that is against human that is against moral, like offensive. They are violent or any other thing like that. So, in the opinion of the Commission, will violate or conflict any existing trademark. This also has to do with this number one here. So, contains any word in the opinion which is likely to mislead the public as to nationality, race, or religion of person by reason. So, you just have to be very careful. So, now once you are sure of all these things and you have checked everything, the next thing you need to do is go ahead and Select name. Then the first thing here, name and type of business. Then the objective of business. Then preview. Then what kind of thing you want to register. For the purpose of this training, I'm only doing business name. So you click business name. Then select specific type. The type of business, maybe it's partnership or sole proprietor. If it's a single person, that's sole proprietorship. If it is partnership, maybe you partner with another person, so you can select it. So you can see the explanation here. So when you have a two or corporate bodies or combination of individuals, so this is sole proprietorship. Then the name we selected is AgroGround. So option 2, you can submit 2 names. So let's say this one is not approved. This other one will be approved. Then you can select and let's say AgroGround business. AgroGround concept. So click save and continue. So the objective of the business, what is the business for? What is the business for? So is this a change of name or group holdings or consortium or name substitution or new incorporation? You just want to register a new name, so we select new incorporation. So business category, the category of your business. So we are in agriculture. There are many categories here depending on your own business. So we are using AgroGround, so we are going for agriculture. So you select agriculture. Then nature of business. The network. So you select agriculture, then you come under specific nature of business. This is the main industry. This is specific what you are doing specifically. So let's say we are doing fish farming or aquaculture. Then additional remark, you can add any other remark. It's not compulsory. So you can then save and continue. Save and continue. So this preview, you check maybe everything you entered is intact. So remember I said you can use one account to register for any other every client you have. Now I want to correct that statement. Now the only reason why you can use single account for registering for other client is when you are accredited, as in when you become an accredited agent. But since we don't want to get accredited or we don't have the requirement, so whenever you have a client or you have a customer who want to register their business, make sure you collect their email address, their information, and you register an account for them. You can't use your own account, because if you are going to use your own account, it means this information, as in your proprietary information, is what we show on their business. So you register a new account for them so that they can have their own dashboard. Then you go ahead with whatever you want to do. So now we are now sure of whatever we have here. So once you are sure of whatever you have here, you can click save and continue. So it will take you to payment. So what they will charge you is 500 naira for the reservation, for name reservation. They will charge you 500 naira for name reservation. That is 500 naira. So for the main registration, they will charge you 10,000 naira. So plus the charges, plus bank charges and all those charges. So everything will be around 11,000 naira to 11,500. So you can see now that if you charge a customer 23,000 or 30k, you can see that what you have is much more than the effort you are putting in. So next thing you are going to do is make the payment. You can either make the payment online or you make it in a bank branch. So just click Remitter here to direct you to the payment gateway. Now this is the invoice. This is your invoice. So I told you they will charge you. They will add charges. Normally it's 500 naira, but now they have added another 100 naira, 100 something. So that's the charges you are going to be paying. So just click submit. Click submit. It will take you to where you will make the payment. The network is not good. Yeah, it seems the network will not allow me to make the payment now. To show you how to make the payment. So once you click submit, it will show you another page where you can select whether you are going to pay with card on your ATM or you want to pay with bank. So you select card, because going to bank will give you a lot of stress. You select card. It can be your MasterCard or Visa card. MasterCard or Visa card preferably. So you enter the ATM details. You don't have to worry about maybe they want to scam your money or what. This is an approved payment website. So I can't show you now because of the network. Don't worry. I will show you how to make the payment using your card in the next video. So you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about that. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. So that will be the end for this video. So if you have any issue, any question, you can just message me privately and ask me any question. Remember, I told you that I am going to be with you until you register your first customer. So after that, you can now, that means you can now do it on your own.